Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm filming a different intro, basically because I didn't film an intro while I was filming this. So this is an intro. It's basically a styling video during the cold weather, how I style my coats, jackets, sweaters and all that stuff during the weather. The cold season is upon us and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
So the first outfit basically is a black mom jeans that I absolutely love. Like, I don't wear jeans that often, but when I do, I absolutely love the mom jean style. So I just paired this with a really cute backpack, a really heavy like dad coat. It's like a very heavy woolen coat with the black t-shirts. Basically the whole look is black on black on black. I'm wearing a black t-shirt, I'm wearing my black Puma baskets. Very easy, very comfortable and very still chic. I feel like the jacket is the statement in this whole outfit because it's just so big that you can't not notice it. So I paired this outfit with a black belt from Ya7ska that has silver detailing and my silver necklace that I absolutely love, and this was the look. Absolutely love how this one turned out. Now in the next outfit I swapped the black t-shirts with a bright orange, neon orange sweater, and then I just added on top, and then I just wore the same like woolen coat, and this time I switched out the Puma baskets with a pair of really cool like holographic mules from H&M, and then I finished it off with this really cool funky bag that I've had for years. I have no idea where it's from, to be honest. Actually, it belonged to my sister, but I don't know where she got it from. It's really cool, beaded, it's fun. I feel like it adds texture to the whole outfit. I really like this. This is a fun like night time outfit if you have like somewhere to go or something. I really like the pop of color, and this and the shoes are like a great like fun funky mix. And for accessories I added like some cute like bright orange berets as well. I know the beret trend has been in lately, like they've been everywhere, so I decided to borrow a few of my nieces and just play around with them. So that is the second look. So the third look is probably one of my favorites. It is a wrap skirt, this really stunning like patterned wrap skirt. It's patterned but in black, so it's very hard for you to see it, but it's really cool. And then I paired it with my black t-shirt and then this really cool like light pink, like dusted pink corduroy jacket that has like this really cool like grunge patches on the shoulders, and then I carried my really cool like 9 West bag. It's very cute, very schoolgirl-ish. And then I also just paired the whole look with my platform slip-ons. I absolutely love these shoes. They're easy to wear, comfortable, and I feel like they add so much character to one outfit. This was the second look. I feel like corduroy is in. Sorry but if my voice is sounding kind of awkward, it's because I'm kind of sick. Now if you want to add a little bit more color, you can switch out the black hijab with a more nude hijab that kind of matches the jacket, and that way it just adds a little bit more feminine touch to it and a little like just a different vibe. I like it in both ways, but as you guys know me, I wear black hijabs everywhere I go, so I preferred the black hijab look, but this is just an option if you guys want to give it a different vibe. Now this next look is a very true brown look. I absolutely love this look. It's a brown button down skirt and then this very vintage satin top that I thrifted with this really dark brown long coat. Like the jacket turns a feminine look into a masculine look, so it's a very like good mix. And then I paired this with just like my black pair of pumps and my leggings. Obviously we've got to keep this halal. And then I just paired it again with the same beaded black bag that I own. I feel like this bag goes with everything and it just looks so good. The skirt is like nicely structured around my body. Now the final look I would probably say is my favorite look because this skirt, I've been into wrap skirts lately and this one is probably my favorite one right now. So it's just this really beautiful like green brown wrap skirt that has a really cute buckle detail. I just paired it with my chunky knit sweater from Forever 21, a really cool like big clutch wallet bag-ish thing, and my mango boots. I feel like this is such a workday chic. And then I just threw over my denim jacket. Of course, if it's an extra cold day, you need to throw something on. Obviously a denim jacket is not formal. If you're trying to go to work in this, you can throw it over a coat, a jacket, a blazer on top of this. But I really liked how the denim jacket took out like the seriousness. It just made it a little bit more casual.
Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here or if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.